In order to generate a PDF in FillFaster, we first have to create a template form. In this case, we already mapped to PDF, and with all the data you can see here. Now let's see how it looks in make.com. Here in make.com, we choose FillFaster app and generate a PDF module. This will give us all the forms that we already have in our FillFaster account. Let's choose this one. And now we can map the data. So in this example, we have this data. Here we can also set the static data. That's it, we save. And in the next module, we can use the generated PDF. It will show as a make.com file. You can also map it if you need to change the file name, for example, if you upload it to your CRM or send it via email. And that's it. In this example, this is the generated PDF. It has all the data that we've provided in Make. As you can see, it has the date, it has the price, and that's it.